Hello friends, today I will show you how to make meat croquettes, or famously called the mutton chop in Bengali. These crispy appetizers is my mother's recipe and is one of my favorite, and it just tastes amazing. This is the authentic Bengali way to make it, and trust me, this will be the best one you've ever tried. So please like and subscribe my channel if you haven't yet, and let's get started. So this recipe is having very minimal ingredients. The first part is the filling. I'm using 6 tablespoons of oil, 1 pound of minced meat, 1 large onion chopped, 1 tablespoon of ginger paste, 1 tablespoon of garlic paste, 1.5 tablespoon of red chili powder, half teaspoon of sugar, 3 teaspoons of red chilies and cilantro chopped, and salt to taste. Now for the coating, I'll be using 5 large potatoes, boiled, peeled and mashed, 1 medium onion which is sliced and then fried, and salt to taste. Also, I'll be using plain breadcrumbs, 2 eggs which are beaten, and finally to fry the croquettes, we need enough oil to deep fry. So now this is the first step. I'm going to make the meat filling. The oil is hot and I'm going to add the sliced onion and fry it until it's light brown. I have now added ginger and garlic paste and I'm going to fry it until it turns golden brown. So now I'm going to add the red chili powder and I'm going to stir it until the oil starts to separate from the spices. After this step, I'm going to add the minced meat, salt to taste, and the sugar. Also, I have used here goat meat, but you can also use minced beef, chicken, or lamb if you want to. So I'll be cooking the meat in medium flame, and you can see here that as you start cooking and the time passes by, the color of the meat is going to change from light brown to medium brown, and then you can see here it has changed to dark brown. To cook the meat, it will take approximately 15 to 20 minutes and the oil will start to separate. Once the meat is cooked, I'm adding the chopped cilantro and green chilies into the meat and I'm going to mix it well for 5 minutes. So after 5 minutes, the color of the meat is going to look like this and the filling is ready. So now I'm going to make the coating. The first step is to boil the potatoes, peel them and mash them into a smooth texture. I'm going to add salt to taste into it. Then I'm going to fry 1 sliced onion until it's golden brown. And finally, I'm going to mix the fried onions with the mashed potatoes very well, and the coating is finally ready. So now it's time to shape it up. So I'm using my hands for it. I'm taking a small portion of the coating and then I even it out to make a small depth, and then I am adding the stuffing into it, then closing the coating in all the edges and roll it up into an oval shape. Then I'm going to dip it into the egg and then roll it through the breadcrumbs and transfer it to a plate. Also, if you want, you can make these a day or two before and preserve it in the refrigerator. So now the oil is hot and ready for deep frying. I am frying each one of them until golden brown on all sides. Also, cook in small batches, giving each one of them at least 2 inches of space around it so that it doesn't overcrowd the pan and cooks evenly. The stuffing is nice and full of flavors, coated with soft coating of potatoes and a crispy crust of the breadcrumbs. It tastes just heavenly. So friends, here it is. Just give it a try and comment below to let me know how was it. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel Soumiz World if you haven't yet. See you soon. Bye bye.